For the first project, you would need 2 nautical ropes, 1 vase, and an LED light. This project is so simple. The first thing I'm going to do is glue the rope around the vase. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, I want to welcome you. Go ahead and push that subscribe button and like button and become a part of this family. If you are already one of my beautiful family members, I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you so much. You guys, I've been watching many wonderful YouTubers create beautiful bohemian home decor, so I decided to come up with some creation on my own, and I've been having so much fun. This elegant candle holder that I am making can be placed in any room in your home. For my next project, I used 3 nautical ropes, not 2, 1 LED candle, 1 cookie can, paint, and paintbrush. The first thing I'm going to do is paint the inside of my can. After I finish painting my can, then I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take my rope and I'm going to glue it to the bottom of my can. Next, I'm going to glue my rope to the outer part of my can. Okay, I'm going to use the rest of my rope and glue it to the bottom of my LED candle. I'm going to use my Mod Podge instead of my glue gun because the glue in the glue gun is too hot and it will melt my candle. Now I'm going to put some glue on my rope and then glue it inside of my can. Make sure that the part where you turn the light on and off is sticking out so you'll be able to get to it. You will be able to sit this project in any place of your home, or there is another option of hanging it up, so I glued some rope in the back of the can. For the last project, I used 4 items, and here are the items. My final project, I'm going to make a basket. The first thing I'm going to do is glue some rope around my cookie can. Now I'm going to make 2 handles for my basket. In order to hold my plant in place inside my basket, I'm going to use my craft foam, and if this is too big, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half and then glue it down to the bottom of my can. Then I will place my plant right on top of my foam. I don't like that you can see the white foam coming through the leaves, so I decided to use some floral moss around the foam just to cover it up. I'm finished, you guys. I had so much fun making these projects. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and come back and watch another one of my videos.